Hello, welcome to the SEMA 2021 Total Shop Solutions booth, sponsored by Snap-on. We're going to give you a quick tour of the geodyna 7600P. P is for power clamp, so I'm going to unclamp it and let you see what secures the wheel to the balancer. As you can see, there's no threads on the shaft. We put our cone on the back side of the wheel, lift up on the pedal, and it properly secures the wheel. And then if you want to come around to this side, we're going to let you see how we measure the dimensions of the wheel. We take this arm and we touch, and then we take it all the way in as far as we can to put our outside weight on, bring that back and lower the hood. So right now it's spinning up, measuring the force. It does have a capability of multiple operators, so you can store parameters for one tech and another tech can come over and use the balancer in between wheels. So once it stops, we are set up in grams here, so I'm going to switch us back to ounces. So we need 0.25 ounces on the right-hand side, and if you look inside there, you'll see a red laser. We would just put the weight on the outside of the red laser, and then we'd rotate the wheel to the next weight location, which would be right there, and there would be another laser, and we would place our other weight amount right there. The great thing about this balancer is one thing that can cause a vibration at one speed is when you have too much residual static imbalance left or single plane imbalance, and that is displayed here in the center of the tire. We want to get that down below 1/4 of an ounce. The balancer will also show you an OK in the tire. If you're below that amount, it's kind of a little message that you have a really good balance. It also has the capability of hiding the weight behind the spokes. If you want to look around to this side over here, you can see that we have a 5-spoke wheel. So basically what I would do is I would go to this button here and I would touch it and tell it has 5 spokes. And then I would take one of the spokes and I would put it 12 o'clock here, straight up and down. And then I'd press this icon here. And now it's splitting my weights to position the weight on the wheel behind the spoke to improve the cosmetic look of the wheel. And that concludes our tour of the 7600P. Please come by the booth and check us out. Thank you.